Hi, it's Chris again from SmartMetals with another MoveYourScreen.com product. It's actually the same as the trolley we saw before, but with the accessory kit for a whiteboard. So you can actually mount a whiteboard over a multi-touch screen and completely cover it. It's something that we've noticed that teachers really like, being able to just use a classic whiteboard in a classroom environment and use it together with a multi-touch screen. Also, what they really like is the fact that, well, these are just demo boards, but the whiteboards can completely cover the screen and protect it. We also have the soundbar bracket and the pen tray, something teachers really want. Again, you can find more information on this at www.moveyourscreen.com.